Hey, what's up, guys? It is Zay99. Today we're gonna be going over my build, pretty much. Um, we have a Ryzen 5 3600 water-cooled MSI. I don't even remember, 110, something like that. We have specifically we're gonna be going over my GPU. Had it for over a year now. Around there, maybe a year, maybe a little under. I don't remember. I don't know, but I'm just gonna go over how long I've had, how it's been since I've owned it. It's the AMD Radeon 6700 Sapphire Nitro Plus. Let's hope I'm saying that right. RGB, naturally overclocked, so it comes overclocked. We have a simple 144 hertz monitors, nothing too fancy. It's an okay build. We got MSI fans all around. And our case is the MSI Gungi, rocking with a HyperX mic. I don't remember the exact name. I've actually been away for a little while from the game, so if some of this stuff is wrong that I just said, like pronouncing it, I'm sorry, forgive me. But yeah, so the case itself performs well. It not too much, even in an enclosed area where I have it, doesn't perform or overheat or nothing like that. We use a Xbox controller as well as a Corsair keyboard. A decent build, not the most expensive. I think it might beat out my last one a little bit. The first build I had, which was 2 years ago now, I believe. No issues. I run simple games all the time. Like I run Multiverse a lot lately in Rocket League. No problems with the GPU so far. I actually have a really good review on it. If you're looking for not a cheap, because I won't say fucking over $500 is cheap for a GPU, but if you're looking for something that is a little bit less expensive, it's definitely the way to go. Live streaming off it is really good compared to last generation's GPUs, which was the 5000 series. I had the 5600 XT, specifically, if I can remember correctly, XFX's special edition one. It was alright for streaming. It was kind of bad for streaming, actually. It was alright for gaming. These ones this year, or this generation, what I've noticed is way better. It's like night and day difference when it comes to streaming. So if you're into the streaming, definitely recommend get the AMD Radeon 6700 XT, Sapphire Nitro Plus. One thing I've noticed though, if you're rocking, if you can afford a higher CPU than what I have, which was I have the Ryzen 5 3600. If you can get a better new one, go for it, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, this one's starting to slow up. I don't know if it's with the Windows 11 or maybe the age of the CPU. Yeah, I forgot to mention my RAM. I just noticed. So the RAM we're rocking with is 8 GB 3600 megahertz. I think it's HyperX, if I'm not mistaken. Our power supply is 750 watt bronze. Not bad. We're gonna definitely look into upgrade. So in the next couple months, I will be doing a review on. I'm looking at the Ryzen 9, or I don't know. Even our Threadripper might be the move. We're gonna see here, depending on the cost of prices or the price on parts. I know it's going down lately, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna give it a little bit longer. That's all I got for you guys, man. This is just me checking up. I'm gonna start making more videos. Where you actually use my iPad Pro, where you have the HyperX mic connected straight to the iPad Pro, and we're gonna do all of our video processing and shots like that throughout. So, peace.